Bonjour. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to submit your language partner to your class. So just a quick review. You've already been introduced to that. You're going to go to your dashboard, and where you're going to find the course of the LLC French, which is the lab. You click in here, and here you will see the word language partners. So you click on language partners. And we already explained that during the orientation. Pay attention only to the first three links. So here you have all the information about how to apply to your language partner. So you're going to have here the information, and make sure to let them know again, if you have a partner in your mind, tell them that this is so-and-so, I want him to be my partner. If not, they will pair you up with someone in their group. After you apply, let me go back to language partners. You have in here, the second link is all the activities for you to download. So you're going to go here where it says Word Language Partners, and you have all kind of subject, all kind of activities, from home to telling time, from season and month, body parts. You choose, but whichever activity you want. You download it, you work on it, and you're going to have a video at the end that you have to perform. And as a matter of fact, if you go back to the course on the dashboard here, it says language partner recording instructions. And here you have all the details about how to do the language partners. Here you have about registration from the LLC to the language partner, how to download an activity, how you're going to be pairing with your partner on Zoom, how you're going to do your video, and everything is there. Okay, so let's pretend you did all that. Say that's it, you're done with it. They will send you an email. Okay, so of course this is not how it looks like, but let's pretend this is it. So they're gonna send me an email from the LLC, and it says here, congratulations, you completed language partner activity video, and they will send you a link. What I'm gonna ask you to do is to highlight the link, and you copy it. And after that, I want you to go to your class. So you go back to the dashboard, go to your class, in that case, French 1. You click on language partners. And here where it says submit assignment, you have all here instructions. Click on submit assignments. And here where it says website URL, here you're going to paste that link that you copied. Here, feel free to put any comment. You can tell me, for example, I did the activity about telling times with so-and-so. Please do that. That's going to help me a lot. Make sure also, and I put that in bold and capital letter, make sure that both of you submit the same link, obviously the same link. Don't say, oh, one person did it, I don't have to do it. If you don't do it, that's a 0. Canvas see that you did not submit it, it's going to be a 0. So make sure to submit, both of you, the same link. That's fine. Okay, so you submit it. Once you're done, you submit assignments and you're done. That's it. Merci.